How to change your streaks emoji on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about how we can change our Snapchat streaks emoji. So let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So first thing first, I want you to open your Snapchat. So after opening Snapchat, I want you to go to the settings. For that, you just need to tap on the profile at the top left. After tapping on it, you will be able to see this gear icon at the top right. Just tap on that option. After that, scroll down until you see customize emojis. Just tap on that option, and here you can see a bunch of options. So in order to change the streaks emoji, you just need to scroll down until you see snap streak. You can see this snap streak, the second last option. Just tap on that option. After tapping on it, you may customize your streak accordingly. You may just choose any of the emojis that you may like in order to make it appear next to the number of days that you and your friend have snapped each other. You may just choose any of the emojis. I'm just gonna choose this fire one and get back. After choosing, you just need to get back in order to see how many streaks you've maintained. Just get to the chat and you can see I have this fire sign beside my streaks, which means I have changed my streaks into this fire sign. So therefore, just by following this method, you can just change your Snapchat streak emoji easily. Just follow the steps and you should be able to do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.